What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm hooking you guys up with a brand new exclusive downloader code for an absolute game changer of a tool. This is hands down one of the most premium M3U media players on the market right now. I guarantee you, it runs smooth as butter. Let's pull it up right here. Just give the app a second to load. I've already got it installed on my device, so we're gonna skip ahead to save some time, but just let it finish the download process on your end. It might take a quick minute because this player is packing some serious horsepower under the hood. The best part about this? Zero annoying ads. Unlike the junk you usually find cluttered in the official app store, this thing is clean, and it handles pretty much any M3U playlist format you throw at it. It's an absolute beast of an app, and I 100% recommend it. So you're gonna go ahead and hit install. Give it a moment to finish up. Trust me, you guys are gonna love this one. Now, when you first boot up the app, you're gonna notice it's completely empty. You'll be looking at a login screen just like this. Right here is where you need to punch in your server URL, your username, and your password. Once that's in, just hit login. I want to keep this video short and sweet for you guys. Since this player is just an empty shell, you do need to provide your own legal login credentials and data to get it up and running. If anyone out there is struggling with the configuration, or if you're not exactly sure how to get your credentials set up, just tap the link down in the video description, or check the pinned comment to contact me. I am more than happy to help you guys out. I will personally walk you through the entire setup process, step by step, so you can get the ultimate, flawless experience out of this powerhouse player. Alright guys, if you got some value out of today's video, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who needs it.